Hi everyone, this is Cindy Cran Heart, and I'm back with a haul from a bunch of different places. So, the first thing is this is going to go somewhere else. So, I've got some AliExpress stuff. I bought this cactus die. Oops, I have some ideas of what I want to do with the cactus die, and then I got a couple of these drink dies. So I got this one, which makes like a coconut style type one. And then I got this one and this one. Cute, right? Okay, so let's move on to the rest of my haul. So this is from scrapbook.com. And what, I noticed also in getting this haul is the collections that I got actually sort of go together. So I'm going to start with these tags. So I really wanted to get the tag dies from Graphic 45. So I had ordered them, and the ones I really wanted that went with the tags I was able to get, they canceled my order saying and refunded my money and said, oh, they're out of stock. So that was kind of disappointing. So I actually did get one of them, but whatever. So I got these tags. This is the regular tag album. I got the artist trading tags. So just deal with that. And then let's go into the collections. So some of this is going to be mixed in with here, but I got the Havana collection, and I got these are both by, I don't know if they're both by Frank Garcia, but I know that this one is. I don't think the other one is, but the color palette's very similar. And what's nice about that is that you could kind of mix and match a little bit, but also some of the extra pieces like the florals and those sorts of things you can use with that, like the flowers and things like that. You don't have to buy just the Havana flowers or just the Santa Baby flowers, because they go together. So I really like this A4 size. I don't know. I just like it. I feel like you get a lot of bang for your buck. And because it's $10 or whatever, and you still get 30 sheets. It's double-sided, and it's this like 8x11. It's just a really, really nice size. So I got this, and then I got the Santa Baby, which, I love it. I do love it. And I know that I had read this blog where people, or I don't know what it was, but people were like blasting Frank Garcia, saying he's ruining Prima and blah, blah. I don't know. I don't pay attention to any of that. I just know that I don't buy a lot of Prima anymore, and I don't know that it has anything to do with that, but styles change. But I really liked this and the Havana, and I think it's really because I just really like these colors, because they're not colors I use very often. So I'm enjoying the fact that these are non-traditional Christmas colors, which I'm doing a project right now, which is very non-traditional. So I'm enjoying that. So I did get the A4 size in that as well. And then I got the journaling note cards. And I like this little size. So I got this 3x4. And then I got the Havana one as well, because I do, like I said, like the size. And then I got the tickets. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with the tickets. I just think they're cool. So this is the Havana tickets. So I got them. And then I'm going to apologize in advance. I'll try very hard not to be too squeaky. So I got this one. Of course, they were out of the tags for this one. I think just this little one I'm able to use, but I was able to get this one, so I feel very lucky to get this this one. And then I got this ephemera for the Santa Baby, because I just really, really love it. And then I got this ephemera, and knowing that there's tickets in there, I probably didn't have to buy the tickets, but for Havana. And then I got these flowers, which I got 4 different styles of flower, and I don't know if they're supposed to go with Santa Baby or whatever, but this is Santa Baby, and they all really, really look well with it. And then this one is Havana, and so that's really nice. So all of this goes together. So if you do buy this collection, then you won't be sorry. Okay, so let me get this out of the way. I have a huge mess in my room. I am not kidding. So the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is the last thing that I got from Terry over at Stamps Alive. She has a Facebook kind of shop. I think she used to do things on her, like blog or website or whatever. So you can buy various different in-demand items from her, like Copic markers, the stamp platform from Tim Holtz, which I destashed. I didn't care for it. It just didn't work well for me. I actually like the Misty, so whatever. But I'm excited about these. They're really, really cute, and I'm hoping to use my mermaid ones, which I haven't used yet, in my art journal. So I got this one. This is Mary, and Mary comes with, I think, 4 stamps, and it's super, super cute. So I'm excited about that. And then I got Joy, and Joy in particular, I think, really lends itself to non-Christmas. So I think you can really use Joy for any occasion. So that's cool. And then I got this Foxy Girl, and I think she'd be great in the fall as well. And so she comes with 4 stamps, including this really cool deer. And then this one has dies. And this is Rudy. Rudy's a reindeer. And with the dies. And then here is Twinkle. And then Twinkle's got a cup and the dies and everything. So super, super excited to play with that. So that's my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Praying with the Heart.